Can you?
Alright. I'm about to demonstrate the undemonstrable into my body.
The Unreal should do. He's doing something, he's gonna fit his whole body through. Blah blah blah.
He's gonna rip a hole in a paper and fit his entire body through it. Is it possible? Brandon.
Are you a believer? Are you a believer?
No,
You're not a believer.
Are you willing to put money on that?
I have no money.
I'll take credit. I'll take credit. Brandon, the camera is this way, by the way.
So what are you recording this photo?
I can't wait on YouTube. On YouTube?
Flash Facebook.
You even have a YouTube account? Yeah.
You really want to put that on Facebook?
On YouTube.
Terry.
Just no, I never said it would take a short period of time. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. You know, I should actually video this completely, keep it on that, because people might think when I move it out, you do something.
I'm waiting to see the point as well.
It's gonna fit that piece of paper through its big head.
My big head.
Look how big it is. Look at the bump.
Yes. To the bum suit. Alright, come now, you're distracting man. You're distracting man.
Some reason I
think
took
in
it,
that
so I want to see this.
Maybe. Girls or boys? Them boys in.
Yeah, them boys are nice.
Them boys in.
And he's gonna open it.
I even oh crap.
That's a significant amount of breeze.
Yep. This breeze isn't helping actually.
That makes it all the more difficult.
Exactly.
There you go, that one there. Ah, there you go.
I wanna go home.
Going home now. Just singing a song, you really want to go home.
I really want to see this.
Oh yeah, Brandon.
What's in a Spotify show?
You spoke Spanish.
That's a Spotify.
It's the same thing. You can do it.
I can do it.
Seriously, how much you paying in fares?
You'll see when it's over. After rate it on how amazing it is.
It'll literally blow your mind. Like, if you were Brandon, it would actually make you watch the camera when taking a picture.
Oh, crap. Oh, how you feel now? Is that your ass on the floor? Oh, yes, it's right there.
Right done, yeah. There we go. Dude.
Very person.
I'll take it. I get 5 cents.
Oh, 1. Oh, 5. Yay. Brandon, what are your views on that? Did it just got ripped? It's a bit,
I made 5 cents in stage.
Wait, $5.
Franklin.